Hi, welcome to Adilas. In this segment, I want to show you a little bit about Corp user permissions. And I'm logged in as the Red Baron. And what you can do if you want to join me is go to adilas.biz, lowercase Red Baron, 2 R's, and password is 1234. And once you're in, this is what the main switchboard homepage looks like. The Corp user permissions are down here under System Management. And then we'll go to the user permissions. Up on the top here on the left, the first link in that has the info look and feel take you to this page. This is where you set up your corporation name, your corporation initials, address, and information, and so on. Also, you can set in here your colors, and these colors are depicted by all of the different numbers and letters that are available in this color picker window. And this is a small selection that you can copy and then paste it back onto the whatever color that you want here. When you set up with us, we upload your logo for you, and then we also match the colors as close as we can to your logo. However, you can go on this page here and make changes on that. Also, off of the main page here, if you go back one, you also have customer care and support, and technical support and training. You also have another link up here on the top that's the corp-wide settings and defaults. And this page is pretty in-depth. I'm going to go over the first about 12 of these, actually the first 11, and then on the next one I'll go over more of the corp-wide settings and defaults. So basically what's going on here is when you make a change here, you're making a change on every page that uses the name corporation, on every page that has an abbreviation for corporation. So for number 1 and number 2, as an example, would be if you don't have a corporation, maybe you have a partnership, or maybe you have an LLC, or just a sole proprietorship. You can put that in here instead of corporation. Location, if you have more than one location, you may want to call them stores, or you may want to call them clinics, or you may want to call them like a center or something of that nature. So these are physical brick and mortar type locations that you could change the name to. Salesperson would be the next 5 and 6. You could be an instructor. You could be like a doctor's assistant. You could be a contact person. You could be a plumber, any of those type of naming convention. These names are what show up on your invoices. And number 7 and number 8 is your customer, and that could be a patient, that could be a student, it could be a member, any of those different types. So that's your customer information, all of the information stored per customer. And the default terms for your customer are here. So every time you set a customer in, these are the default terms. And also number 10 and number 11, this starts into the invoices. And I'm going to leave off right here. And on the next Adilas, I'm going to show you all the way down to, we have about 40 more of these corp-wide settings. So once again, thanks for choosing Adilas.